Hey everybody, welcome back to Upwork tip number 4. Today we're going to quickly go through one of the proposals that I have found here. Quickly here, as we go through this proposal, I wanted to remind you when you read a proposal, make sure that you read the entire thing. Some of the more experienced clients will put as the last sentence uh, a certain text or quote to put in your tagline, in your heading of your proposal. They want to make sure that you read all the way through the proposal or that you read all of their requirements and needs for this job. So keep in mind, read the entire proposal and make sure that you answer all of the questions that they ask you to answer. And make sure that you fill out the cover letter with a little information about you, how you can help them, what expertise you have, any of the questions they wanted answered, and make sure that you add your attachments if they ask you to add attachments for that. Make sure that you also note, if you don't select me for this project, keep me in mind for future projects. Also, if the proposal doesn't have a whole lot of information in regards to what the word count is, what the job scope is, make sure that you note in your proposal that you are just using a placeholder as you do not have the full scope of work. That way the client understands that you can negotiate. You're going to have to talk a little bit more about the proposal and the scope of work to actually come to a accurate quote for them. That's it for today, guys. If you have any questions or anything in particular you want me to answer, please leave your comments in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to make a video for you answering that question. Thank you so much. We'll see you on the next one. Bye.